Okay, I am going to show you how to set up Flipgrid for your students today. And it's really easy. This is the website that you're going to send your students to. This is the website that you need to go to and then to sign up as well. It's just flipgrid.com, and you could just search for that in your Google bar. And students can enter a flip code right here to just go straight to your Flipgrid, and then it'll ask them to sign up and things. They also can go here to sign up. So there's two things when you click here. There's the educators, and I would just sign up with Google. Use your at Jeff Go Schools Google account because it makes it really easy. And then this tab is where the students, same thing, they're going to put in their flip code and go to the grid, and then they'll be able to log in with their at Jeff Go Schools email as well. Once you get in, it looks like this. And I have several grids. You won't have any grids to start off with. It'll give you like a testing one. And so then you'll want to start a new grid. A grid is like a class. And so I just make it, this is the class. This is my period 3 or period 4. There's several options here on this screen. I always choose this school email domain because then that makes it private, and it makes it so that only the people with school emails can access this Flipgrid. So then you can name your Flipgrid. It's going to generate a code. You can choose the background, the picture that you want. I like this cat with the glasses. Or I like, there's all sorts of different things on here. We'll choose that. And then you click next. Here, since you chose the school email domain, you need to put in the domain that you will allow to log in. And this just protects your students so that it's just people with the at jeffgoschools.us email address that can access this. So anyone who doesn't have that email address can't get in. So then you would launch your grid, and then you say all set. It now brings you to here. This is the main board for your Flipgrid for that class. And you can see if we go back, I have, period 3, English 9, period 1, English 9. Those are my different grids. So here's the test one. I always, every single time you come in here, this ideas one is always inactive, and you can't get rid of it. You just have to live with it there. I always come and delete this introductions one because I don't need it. And then you can start a new topic. A new topic is like the discussion that you're going to do. So here's all the details, and it seems like a lot of stuff, but it actually isn't that bad. So here's the topic title, and if you want to do a tip, you can, you don't have to. I always put my videos at about 3 minutes, unless for some reason I need longer. I feel like 3 minutes is the max that most students are going to do when I've played with this. And, if I do too little, then they freak out because they don't have enough time. So 3 minutes is good. This is the day that it's going to display on the topic or on your Flipgrid. It's going to show up for students to see. And then this is where you would put your question to show the students what they're supposed to do. I never play with any of these. I have done video moderation in the past just because I had a class where I was worried that they were going to not take it seriously, and it was fine. So I usually use this. I usually don't click this at all. You make it active. You can change the launch and freeze dates. So I usually will freeze. So if I'm having this as a homework discussion, maybe we give them a week to get it done. Or if it's a discussion we're doing in class, maybe I just have it open for just that one day. Or I say I'll give them an extra day. This topic resource is something that's going to be at the top of your Flipgrid, your topic. So I usually will upload an image, or if you wanted to do an emoji or record a video. That's that. I never do any topic attachments. Down here under video features, I usually will change the stickers and drawings to stickers only, just because I've had bad experiences with giving students the ability to draw things on the screen. And that's just a personal preference. If you trust your kids and you think that they can handle stickers and drawings, or drawings, that's fine. The stickers allow them to put stickers on their pictures and stuff. I like the video reactions. I always leave that, and video views. And then I allow them to do student-to-student replies. I think that's really important. And then giving them a video title. Then they have basic feedback, or I've gone and made custom feedback, and it saves all your custom feedback. So like I can just click analysis and click textual evidence. You can also add a new criteria, and you can change how much they're worth. So if this one I said is worth 10 points, and I have a description, and that's that. And then you would just create the topic, and then it would post here. So I'll show you some of mine. So for instance, here's my period 1, and we had 2 topics for Sound of Thunder. So the kids click in here. You can see all their posts. That's all of them. This is the image that I put in there. It has the flip code. It has the prompt right here, and then they'll have a big button that they can push and then go ahead and start recording. So that's how you set up a Flipgrid for your students, and hopefully this was really helpful. It's an awesome tool, and you can see how many hours of engagement, like I think that we could put this word engagement in quotes sometimes for some students, but I mean that's a lot of time where students are thoughtfully talking and engaging in a topic. So really cool. All right.